fragrant truffles, tangy vinegar, and aromatic coffee beans. Everything that you see here has a common origin, Serbia. In recent years, more Serbian flavors are finding their way into Chinese homes. In the past decade, Serbian exports to China increased as much as 185 times. Serbian entrepreneur Nebojša Terzic and his Chinese business partner Guo Xiao have been introducing Serbian goods to China since 2017. For them, the growth was palpable.
In that time, we start selling only one product from Serbia. Now we have about 415 different products, wine, also coffee, cookies. In that moment, nobody don't believe in that in Serbia. Where? China. Oh, China, it's so far, and it's not possible, and something like that. But after first step, and now many companies call me, hey, maybe I have chance, maybe I have chance.
The success of their business stems in part from the support of authorities in Ningbo. With the first and only demonstration zone for trade and economic cooperation between China and Central and Eastern European countries, the port city of Ningbo has been creating smoother pathways for Serbian products to enter the Chinese markets. This includes hosting expos, facilitating e-commerce, and streamlining the customs clearance process.
Ningbo Customs has proactively undertaken customs risk assessment of Serbia's frozen fruit, pet food, and bee products, and facilitated their market access. In the first quarter of 2024, Ningbo's imports from Serbia surpassed 71 million yuan, almost 3 times the figure for the same quarter last year.
Ningbo's efforts to build a better business environment align with China's national strategies. Last October, China and Serbia signed a free trade agreement that includes well over 10,000 Serbian products and almost 9,000 Chinese products. Tariff-free Serbian goods include generators, electric motors, beef, nuts, and wine. For companies like Guo's, this is great news.
I
think this is a huge opportunity. Currently, the tariffs on some Serbian wines are as high as 46%. When the tariffs are lifted, this will make high-quality Serbian goods even more competitive in the Chinese market. In the future, we expect to further increase the quality and types of our imported products.
China and Serbia boast an ironclad friendship, a spirit that resonates in people-to-people ties.
First as friends and then as business partners, we've known each other for almost 20 years. Because we trust each other and share the same goal, we believe that this partnership will go far.
With shared development goals, the horizon of trade between China and Serbia is ever expanding, promising a future rich in mutual prosperity. Chen Yuan, CGTN, Ningbo.